Hello guys, good morning. I am currently at the Silay Bacolod International Airport at pupunta tayong Manila today. I'm done with check-in. This is how our airport in Silay looks like. Lord, be with us. We just landed, already got my luggage. Now, pupunta tayo sa labas, kuha tayo taxi going to our hotel. We are at the Kabayan Hotel. May reservations na tayo dito. So, let's go. So, apparently, hindi pa prepared, hindi pa available yung room na ni-request ko. I want king-size bed. Kasi allowed naman dun sa reservations ko. So, here I am touring you dun sa lobby na lang ng Kabayan Hotel. Ang ganda ng lobby nila in fairness. Ang ganda ng Christmas tree. Ganda. Christmas na dito sa kanila, guys. Labas muna tayo for dinner, early dinner, because I haven't had lunch. I'm so hungry already. So, iniwan ko lang yung luggage ko. Hindi pa ako talagang nakapunta dun sa room ko. Iniwan ko lang yung luggage ko sa counters. Kaon pa, guys!
Yes, for Jolly afternoon. Yes, sir.
Peach crumble.
Sorry, ma'am. Wala po kaming Sunday, ma'am. Hindi po available yung float ng Sunday po namin.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you po.
Let's check again if meron ng room na available. Finally, nakapag-check-in na tayo sa hotel. Let's go to our room at the 5th floor. Fairness, mabilis. Fifth floor. Fairness, magandang elevators nila. But it's not a cheap hotel. That's the view from the outside, from the elevator. We are at room... Check muna natin. We are at room 529. So, we are here.
Hi, ma'am. Good evening po.
Hi. 529?
529, ma'am. Diretso lang po. Tapos kanan po.
Okay, thank you so
Thank you din
much.
po.
It's at the end. Kakapoy. But we're almost near. Oh my God. 529. 529. Ito. Maganda sana because may katapat na elevators in front pero unavailable. So this is our room. Let's get the keys. There you go. Hello, hello. Room tour. So, meron tayong dining area. This is the king size bed. Ito yung ni-request ko kaya natagalan ako sa lobby. There's a small sofa. Lights. Bedside lights. Beside each side ng bed. We have cabinets over here. Then we have CR over here. CR. Clean naman. And I have a bathtub. Hindi na kaya ako lumabas. Mag-bathtub na lang ako dito. But I have to go to MOA. And then I have this one. Mirror. That's me. And then TV. The door. Then, oh, may mirror din pala dito. There. And that's it. This is 2357 booked at the Agoda Hotel. Maybe mas mura pa siya if I booked it early, but I booked it a week ago lang. Because as you know, sobrang on the last minute parate. Ito lang bang lights? Very subtle lang ang lights niya. Ito lang talaga ang lights niya. But it's okay. And meron pala silang refrigerator over here. Ang lalagayan ng maleta, if kailangan mo magbukas na yung maleta, but I don't know if bubuksan ko pa ang maleta ko because I already have my change of clothes para bukas sa hand carry ko. But that is for the maleta. So I decided to go out. Bili tayo ng mga essentials na nakalimutan natin. I will buy some socks because I only brought 2 for this trip. Mahabang trip ito. So we need socks. And then also I need a tube of Colorette Cosmetics kasi nawawala yung akin. And hindi kompleto yung makeup kit ko. And what else? Baka I'll grab some food na rin. Dessert perhaps kasi kumain kanina tayo sa Chowking and that was out of gutom, and that was not, parang hindi pa ako nasa-satisfy. So, labas muna tayo, then grab the things that I need, and balik. Outfit check tayo. I'm wearing denim on denim. I have a denim jacket, black top, and then jeans, and then sneakers. First floor. Oops, wait. Hello again, guys. I'm back. Mabilisang haul ito. Kasi konti lang naman. I bought kettle corn, sweet and salty. This is my favorite. Pang snacks for movie night tonight. And then I bought some pads kasi dadatnan pa ata ako for this trip. That's it from Robinsons. Funny thing is, when I was about to ride the MRT, may dadaanan ako sa bangketa ng mga socks. So, bumili na lang ako. This is 3 pairs already. 3 pares na to. Ay, parang malaki. Pero anyway, 3 pares na to, and it's only 50 pesos. So, goodbye na rin. And then, I got cosmetics from SM. Ay, nabudol ako sobra. I was supposed to buy only Colorette Cosmetics kasi I already have a tube nito. And gustong-gusto ko siya. Para siyang second skin lang. So, I got another tube kasi nawawala yung aking, I think I misplaced it. It's either sa sasakyan or isa sa mga bags ko. Basta hindi ko mahanap. This one, this is $399 for a tube. Gusto ko sana bumili ng dalawa, pero, para lang sa makeup. Ayoko nang, wag muna ngayon. Kailangan natin magbaon for this trip. Kailangan natin ng pera for this trip. So, isa lang. Bakit ang hirap? Anyway, tanggalin na natin sa box. I got this color. This is dark. Hindi kasi maganda lighting dito sa hotel. Kung makikita nyo tong kamay ko, ang daming swatches from kanina. Hindi siya clear, pero yeah. Sorry, hindi siya ganito siya ka-dark. Can you see that? I'll try it on my lips. You could use this for as a lip color, or pwede din blush, pwede din for your eyelids. For me, ginagamit ko lang siya for my cheeks and then for my eyelids kasi ayokong maglagay nito over my lips kung ginagamit ko siya sa cheeks or sa eyelids. It's just me. So, try. For you to see lang. Try natin. This one, I usually put like 2 to 3 dots. Wala tayong I don't have powder on. Wala tayong... too pigmented na pala to. Wait. Parang drunk blush lang. Yeah, parang sinampal, ganon. Then, another 3 to balance it out. 3 gawin natin, 3. Just to balance it out. Usually 2. Kasi I think this is very dark na. Very poor lighting dito. Very sorry talaga. Pero that's it. At least I have this one. Oil-based siya. So, maganda siyang... Ang magandang kapit niya sa skin. Oil-based kasi. And para siyang may... If you could hear that, meron siyang ball inside to mix. Kasi, pag nagsisettle yung pigment tsaka yung oil sa mga ganito. Pag oil-based. Nagsiseparate siya. This is the Budol. I got also a lip color from Eliana. This is $499 originally. Pero, naka-sale. Kaya Budol talaga. This is only $299. $299 ba? $200. Asa na yung ating receipt? Bakit? Walang breakdown. Bakit walang breakdown? Here. No, it's $299. So, yun. Sabi ni ate girl, this is, ano daw, on sale. Teka lang May salamin akong kaharap. Yan. Pwede din siyang lip tint. Pwede din siyang cheek tint. Whichever mong gamitin. Pero since I will be putting it on my lips, I won't be putting it on my cheeks. Wala lang. Hindi ako sanay sa mga ganong, yung parang same color palette. Same color yung cheeks ko tsaka yung lips ko. Yun. And then, I got these from YOU. It's a eyeliner, black eyeliner. Kasi ubos na yung Maybelline ko. And Maybelline doesn't have my eyeliner anymore. Hindi ko alam if it's out of stock lang or phase out. So, naghanap ako. I went to BYS. Ang meron lang sila is parang gel. Gel ba yun? Pero, sabi ni ate girl, kailangan mo pang ipastay sa kamay mo for a while para talaga ma-retain at hindi siya ma-smudge proof. Pero, yun, hindi ko talaga mahintay. I keep on smudging it. And nasa smudge siya. So, hindi ko yun binili. So, I bought this. Nabudol ako. Na-sales stock ako ni ate girl. Okay naman siya. I tried it on already. Kanina dun sa... gosh. Bakit ayaw niya? I tried it on already dun sa SM. Maganda naman siya. Very thin. See this one? What do you see? Naks. Very, very vlogger. Anyway. Yeah, it's very thin. And, I'll use this tomorrow na lang. Pag maganda na yung ilaw, pa-ilaw natin. Oh, maganda siya kasi snap-on. Hindi kaagad-agad matatanggal yung takip. So, iwas tayo sa mga accident sa bag. So, this is my budol. And my snacks for tonight. Wala tayong drink. Ano lang tayo, merong provide ang hotel with 2 bottles of water because my accommodation is good for 2. So, may dalawang mineral water tayo dito, 2 bote. So, I'll drink 1 tonight. I'll drink another bottle for tomorrow. Kasi kailangan natin, guys, i-utilize lahat ng part ng ating hotel. Lahat ng binigay ng hotel sa atin. That's it. Magpapahinga na ako. Hindi pa naman tayo matutulog, but kakain pa tayo and then watch movies. Siguro an hour, 2 hours pa. Pero I'm saying goodbye. Be kind, everybody. And always choose love and kindness. Goodbye.